Hello, this is Greg Weiss with Pacific, and welcome to the introduction of the Pacific B-1500 Burnisher. People usually look at floor machines and burnishers and don't think what's the difference between them. Purpose-built with Pacific, this is a prime example of what that is all about. We have a heavy-duty rotomolded body base on the machine, 10-year warranty on that, 1500 RPM, and it is a 20-inch unit that we have here. Some key features of this itself is on the bottom of the machine that the plate that your pad attaches to is actually a flex plate. You can actually see that flexing. You don't see that on every machine, only the top end machines you have a flex plate on it. And what that does is, so many times the floor is just not quite even, especially in older buildings. You're trying to burnish your floor finish. This will help you do that. So it'll help really ensure that you can get into the lower spots as well as the higher spots of the floor itself. Another great feature of this machine itself is the handle. Many features on the handle itself. And you see the cord is going into this protective unit here. You can really put a lot of force on this and it's not going to pull this cord out. So it's wrapped up inside there. It puts the tension on the cord and not at the end of it. So it's a huge wear item for a lot of people that buy burnishers and floor machines. And with Pacific, we do have protection for that. Also, you'll notice that the handle is all metal, and then it has a metal rod, adjustment rod all the way through. It's not a cable system. A lot of years of durable life. The adjustment block at the bottom of the handle here, it goes into powder coated metal, and then it's metal rod all the way down for the adjustment. It does allow you to set to a comfort level of any user. Older machines that you'll see out there without this technology and this design is they'll have a crimp and a handle at the bottom that will tighten on the handle. Through time, that comes loose and you end up with a handle that will just move all on its own. It's not very secure, it's not very safe. So this is an excellent answer to that in a resolution. On the back of the machine, you adjust the handle right here at the top. Rather than having to take a foot off the ground or bending over and adjusting it with the crimp attachment. We also have other additional safety features built into this machine. One you'll find is the safety paddle here. So the operator really has to be ready and in a ready state in order to operate the machine. And you can see that. It won't move if you don't press the safety. You press the safety and it works. So you got this light right here, and what that means is there's carbon brushes in here that will wear out through time. And this light will come on and notify you when you need to have your carbon brushes replaced. So it's a great little added safety feature that you'll see on there. Also non-marking tires like on all of our machines that we've got here at Pacific. The reset for the breaker on the machine itself. So it's within hand's touch and you can see it and it's not hidden whatsoever. So that is the Pacific B-1500 Burnisher.